Why does my finger with very little force trigger this resistor but not a full cup of water? Well, a lot of the viewers from my last video actually explained it to me in the comments. This seems very simple, but we do have a major problem. When I tried putting a cup full of water on the FSR, the weight of the cup is not great enough to trigger output. However, as an engineer, I know that for every problem, there is a workaround for future me to discover. Pressure equals force divided by area. Therefore, if we can reduce the area over which the weight of the cup is applied, more pressure will be exerted on the force-sensitive resistor. To put this principle of physics into action, I've created a little holder for the cup by gluing a quarter to the bottom of a mason jar lid. Now, the force or weight of the cup is applied over the area of the quarter, which is much smaller than the area of the bottom of the cup. With this tiny adjustment, the cup is now activating the sensor. As a software engineer, I've had a lot of fun with this project so far since I've learned so much about circuits and physics, two subjects I never interact with while writing code. Thank you for all of the support and suggestions on the last video, and buckle up because this circuit is about to get a lot more complex.